In this tutorial, we'll be using the Excel Quick Analysis tool. The Quick Analysis tool makes it possible to analyze your data quickly and easily. Now, to access our Quick Analysis tool, first we need to select the cell for the range of data. Then the Quick Analysis tool button will appear. Can you see that? Click on it. So we have the formatting, the charts, the totals, the table, and sparklines. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight bars of your data by adding different bars and colors. Can you see? Can as well specify it. Let's say we want it to highlight only numbers greater than 50. Then we want them to be in green. Can you see that? Can you see? So that's the work of quick analysis. Then we also have your charts. Can as well perform all kinds of charts, like the stacked chart, the line chart. Can you see? We also have totals. Can you see that? Let's say we need the average. Let's say we need the average. Click on it. Can you see? Can you see? We can as well decide to know the sum of each rows and column using the quick analysis tool. Can you see? For both rows and column, go to total. Can you see? Can you see?